Have you ever wondered how to make money in real estate without owning property? Welcome to the world of wholesaling real estate. It's an investment strategy where you, the wholesaler, contract with a home seller, then assign that contract to another buyer, often an investor or rehabber, for a fee. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Now, there are several steps you need to follow to successfully wholesale real estate. The first step is to build a network. Create relationships with real estate agents, investors, and other professionals in the industry. This network will help you find both sellers and buyers. Next, identify motivated sellers. Look for distressed properties, vacant homes, or owners facing financial difficulties. These situations often lead to sellers willing to negotiate. Understanding your local real estate market is a crucial step. Research property values, potential resale values, and the demand for certain types of properties. Negotiation is an art and a vital skill for securing properties at a price that allows for a profitable wholesale deal. Then comes marketing. Implement strategies to find potential sellers, such as direct mail campaigns, online advertising, and networking events. Time is of the essence in wholesaling. Develop a system for quickly evaluating properties to determine if they meet your criteria. This may involve assessing repair costs, market value, and potential resale value. Building a buyer's list is an ongoing task. Cultivate a list of investors or rehabbers interested in purchasing wholesale deals and keep them updated on available opportunities. Before going ahead with a deal, investigate title issues. Conduct a preliminary title search to identify any potential issues that could complicate the transaction. Contracts are the backbone of wholesaling. Draft clear and concise contracts that outline the terms of the deal. Consult with legal professionals to ensure your contracts are legally sound. Determining your assignment fee is a crucial step. Set a reasonable amount that allows for profit while still providing an attractive deal to the end buyer. Closing quickly is key. Work with a reliable title company and ensure all necessary paperwork is in order to facilitate a swift closing. Compliance is non-negotiable. Familiarize yourself with local real estate laws and regulations to ensure your wholesaling activities are within the legal framework. Last but not least, never stop learning. Stay informed about market trends, changes in regulations, and new strategies in wholesaling. Continuous learning is key to success in real estate. Wholesaling involves a deep understanding of your local real estate market, strong negotiation skills, and a well-established network of contacts. Approach wholesaling ethically and transparently to build a positive reputation in the industry. Seek guidance from experienced real estate professionals or mentors as you navigate the complexities of wholesaling. In this journey, remember that every step is a learning curve. So, are you ready to dive into the world of wholesaling real estate?